Hi, my name is Marty Hernandez, licensed real estate broker, and we are here in Valley View, Royale in Cainta, Rizal to show you this house sa likod ko. So itong property na to, meron siyang lot area na 151 square meters plus 60 square meters. And mamaya explain ko bakit may plus 60. And meron siyang floor area na 254 square meters. So 3 floors siya and meron siyang 4 bedrooms. Kung hindi kayo familiar sa Valley View Royale, ito ay nasa loob ng Valley Golf and malapit na malapit talaga siya sa Ortigas extension, kaya maganda yung location niya. And itong property natayo siya ng 2007 and it is facing the east. Meron siyang frontage na 10 meters. Huwag na natin patagalin pa, let's go inside the house para makita natin yung loob. So of course here, as you can see, meron tayong 1-car garage. Sa left side ng property, meron kang easement, a setback na 2 meters papunta sa likod. The one thing that I noticed is pataas yung bahay dahil may slope papunta sa garahe. So if ever nabingha dito, which is hindi naman talaga binabaha, except for the ondoy kasi it's a very special phenomenon. After ondoy, hindi na talaga bumaha. After the garahe, meron kang room sa right side ko and we have the main entrance here on my left. So magtatanggal lang ng sapatos dahil of course for the respect of the owner. So nakatira pa sila dito. But of course, if you're going to buy the house, lipat na sila. And here we have the living area and it's a very spacious area. A large window here. Meron ka dito ang partition na blinds para for privacy or kung gusto niyo magbukas ng aircon. Meron ka rin ceiling fan, so mga fixtures na nakadikit kasama na sa sale. So after the living area, we have a room. Pwedeng mong gawing bedroom, pwedeng mong gawing computer room. So it will depend on what you want and what you need in your house. And beside this room, meron tayong ditong bathroom. So sa bathroom, naka-tiles na yung buong wall and of course meron kang partition, yung shower and of course yung mga usual natin na fixtures, mga water closet, the toilet, the sink and may mga towel rack ka dito. So moving on again, we have the dining area. It's also a spacious dining area and you have the view of the parang backyard. And ito yung sinasabi ko na plus 60 square meters. Actually, may easement na binigay yung developer of the subdivision, which is Santa Lucia, dito sa plus sa 151. So 151 plus 60. So dito sa likod, pwede ka maglagay ng storage or pwede ka magsampay dito. You can put a small garden here, parang ginawa nila dito. And here on my right, we have the kitchen. So maganda dito sa kitchen is you have a lot of counter spaces, pahaba siya, kaya marami ka talagang malalagay. Hindi mo na kailangan visualize kasi may mga gamit na sila dito para makita nyo kung anong example na pwede nyo gawin sa kitchen. So of course, may mga gamit ka na dito, mga appliances na nakapatong sa ating counter spaces. And we have the dual sink here. Kaya madali maghugas kasi meron ding window na nakatapat sa'yo. And here on my right, meron ka dito yung stove. And maganda dito is marami ng window kaya hindi mo na kailangan ng exhaust. Kaya pa magluluto ka, diretso na sa labas yung amoy or yung usok. And of course, we have a space for your microwave and your oven. And may mga cabinets ka. And dito rin, meron ka parang para sabitan ng mga pans mo. Yan. So kasama na rin to. Meron kang small space for parang extra space lang for service area. Pero again, meron kang space sa likod, kaya pwede mo rin gawing service area yon. Pero yun, pwede mo gawing storage room to ng mga kitchen needs mo. Pwede ka maglagay ng mga delata mo dito. Yan, may mga coffee. Thing is, meron kang extra space doon. We're actually down here sa first floor. So, akit naman tayo sa second floor. And may storage area ka din to put extra things underneath the staircase. Yan. So, maganda yung mga materials din na ginamit na kahoy dito. Yan. So, here on the second floor, we have the bedrooms. Sorry pala, medyo maingay kanina dahil may dog sila. Yan. So, here on my left, pag aakyat mo, we have the master bedroom. And here on my right, we have the 2 bedrooms. Kaya unahin natin itong 2 bedrooms. Ilalagay ko yung dimensions ng room in the screen or in the description box down below, as well as the price and other details, para mas ma-visualize nyo kung gaano talaga kalaki yung kwarto. Kasi minsan, nakaka-apekto yung lens na ginamit. Mukhang malaki sa video, pero in person hindi. Kaya nilalagay ko yung dimensions ng kwarto sa screen or sa description. So here, on this room, we have the view of the backyard, and makikita nyo, very relaxing, a lot of greens, a lot of leaves, and may puno, kaya maganda rin yung view dito. So meron ka ding built-in closet dito, put your things. Yan, so sample lang na itsura ng loob ng closet para may idea kayo, dahil may mga sensitive na bagay dito, kaya huwag muna natin tignan. Yeah, moving forward, we have the second bedroom. Actually, third siya. Yung una yung nasa baba, second itong previous one, and this one is the third. And just like with the previous bedroom na nakakatingin lang natin, meron ka din view of the backyard na merong greeneries again. So may mga vegetation and the mga dahon-dahon dyan. And of course, you have the ceiling fan. And please don't mind the clutter. We have the walk-in closet. Yan, so pwede kang maglagay dito. Ang maganda naman dito is may designated space ka for your things. Na-maximize naman yung space dito. Kaya hindi masyadong cluttered itsura yung kwarto pag naayos. So at least kapag may mga clutter sa bahay, ma-visualize mo na kung ano itsura pag may gamit na. So isa rin yung advantage. Bago tayo pumunta sa master bedroom, we have a bathroom that is communal for the 2 bedrooms na kakatingin lang natin. So yan. This bathroom, of course, may kasama ka ng shower, towel rack, and the fixtures like yung toilet, water closet, the sink, and may tissue rack. Moving forward sa ating master bedroom. Itong master bedroom, located siya sa facade ng property. So, ang view mo is yung road. Pero tahimik talaga dito. So, here we have a space on my right. And nakita nyo, it's a queen-size bed. And we have the cabinets dito na may reflection para mirror, para mas mukhang lumuwag yung kwarto, which is nice. And we have a split-type aircon dito. And of course, we have the ceiling fan and yun, nabanggit ko may large window ka dito. And we also have another space here. Parte pa rin to ng master bedroom. So, pwede ka maglagay ng extra bed dito. Just like this one, may library ka dito. So, actually, gusto ko itong design na to. It shows na, ayun, mahilig talaga magbasa yung nakatira dito. And we have a balcony for this one. Yan, so kung gusto niyo magkape in the morning or magbasa, since may mahilig nga kayo sa libro, pwede kayo umupo dito and spend your time learning more from the books that you've just bought. And meron din siya, of course, may sarili siyang bathroom and may built-in closet din. Walk-in closet pala, sorry. Ito yung walk-in closet nila. Sa right, meron kang pwedeng lalagyan ng shoes. Sa left, yung mga damit mo. And this is the master bathroom. Yeah. It's the same design as the previous bathroom pero mas malaki siya. And again, we have the partition na gawa sa glass for the shower and exhaust sa taas. And of course, yung complete fixtures ng water closet, the toilet, the sink. So we're not done yet. Meron pa tayong third floor. Stay tuned. So what do you think of this property? Comment down below if you like this one. And if you want to sell your property, just contact the contact details listed in the description box down below. Yeah, so we're going to the third floor. Para siyang attic, pero buhos kasi talaga to. Kaya parang third floor na rin siya. So this is an empty space and you have a clean slate kung anong gusto mong gawin sa space na to. You can make this your game room, your family room, your office, your studio room. And pwede ka rin gumawa ng small school dito kasi of course, close yung ibang schools kaya pwede ka magturo dito. Yan. So meron ka ding storage designated. So dito sa left side ko para may small door kaya nakikita. Storage yun. And dito, may door din. Storage din to. So this was intended for the water tank. Pero wala na. So yun. This is a small storage. Actually, malaki siya. Parang kwarto na rin actually. Yan. So storage room to pero pwede mo rin siguro gawing kwarto. Yun. And meron ka rin mga pin lights pala all over the places. Para may, of course, may ilaw. And dito, actually pwede ka maglagay ng partition dito. Tapos another bedroom. Kasi may window ka dito. So para may pumasok na ilaw. So you can convert this to plus 2 more bedrooms kung gusto nyo i-renovate. So again, it will depend on what you need. And of course, meron ka window dito para may pumasok pa rin na ilaw. Yun, so comment down below what do you think of this property. If you want to schedule for a viewing or if for a site visit, just contact Alvin. So lagay ko yung contact details niya in the description box down below or sa screen. And if you want to sell your own property, also contact Alvin para ma-schedule natin yung pagbenta ng iyong property. Yun, so comment down below what do you think of this property. Did you like it? And that's it for this video. My name is Marty Hernandez, licensed real estate broker, and I'll see you in my next real estate video. Stay safe.